So you turn this 90 degrees, up for inflation and down for deflation. Nahirapan akong i-ano to.
Tinesting mo ba sa bahay?
Oo. Kasi para hindi ako tanga, di ba, pagdating dito. Golden glow! Go, Liz! Thanks, Miss D, for today! Good job. Hi, this is Jen and today I'll be trying a new activity, and it is stand-up paddleboarding. It is one of the many hobbies of my good friend Diane, and today me and my friend Liza will be joining her for the very first time. It is an expensive hobby because the rental for the paddleboard is $50 for 2 hours use, or you could get the 6 sessions for $240, valid for 6 months use. But I bought a new one from Costco, and it cost me $350. I'll show you what it comes with as I unboxed it and show you all the accessories and set it up for the very first time. I also bought a life jacket right there, and that's a regular one. There's a specific one for paddleboarding, but for now I'll just use this one. That's what I got, and it comes with this accessories right here, and it's gonna look like that in the end. So this is how it looks like when I opened it. So this is the user's manual from the plastic bag. I'm gonna follow the instructions here on how to inflate my paddleboard. And here's the electric pump. Yeah, this paddleboard is good for beginners, so I'm gonna set it up with my car because I wanna know when I get there how to set it up. This is what I need to plug in the electric pump. And my husband said it's good that I turn on the car so my battery won't drain. So this is the valve cap, and gotta twist it counterclockwise. There it is. So you turn this 90 degrees, up for inflation and down for deflation. And since I'm gonna inflate, I'm gonna leave it to up position. There, it's up. And I'm gonna use my electric pump. So I secured it. It took me a while. It takes a lot of effort to stick it in there. So I stopped the inflation because it says I can stop it or change the setting at any time. So I just want to practice how it's done. For now, I'm just gonna deflate it, then put it in the car and see my friends later. So I press it down so I can deflate it. Okay, it's the thing on this side. Oh, it's straightforward. I think you're just gonna slide it in and then lock it with this one here. This one here. There. So it's this one here. I just put that to lock it, and then to remove it, I guess I gotta press this. So open it up and then pull it back. You need my two hands. Okay, I removed it. I forgot to mention that when inflating it and you set it up to, let's say, 14 psi, it will just stop automatically if it reached to that level. So I just took out the leash and what I'm gonna do is put it here. Here it shows to you some numbers. It's actually shows your height, and whatever your height is, that's what you're gonna set it up to, which is pretty useful for someone like me. So I'm 5'4". Where is 5'4"? Right there. So I'm gonna slide it in. So I have to open this up like that and slide it in. Let me see so I can see the number. So I reached to 5'4". So that's the number I'm seeing. I'm 5'4". So I'm gonna so to there and close, locked it. It's a backpack. Let's go paddleboarding! So I'm off to see my friends in Lakefront Promenade because my friend Diane said that we could go to Port Credit or Lakefront Promenade. It's the best place to learn to paddleboard. It's a good area because it has like a lagoon style area, and the lagoon is protecting the open lake waves. It's a good environment for paddleboarding. I'm gonna pick up my friend first, Liza. So I'm almost at Liza's place. I'm picking her up because it's on the way anyways. Instead of her driving there, might as well pick her up and we'll go together. There's Liza!
Hello!
Here we are. And we're here at Lakefront Promenade. There's Diane there.
Picture natin. Yaon! Ang ganda!
Ganda ng color.
I like it.
Nahihirapan akong i-ano to.
Tinesting mo ba sa bahay?
Oo. Kasi para hindi ako tanga, di ba, pagdating dito. Nahihirapan akong i-ano to, isara.
Isa na?
Oo. Yung nagawa ko siya kanina eh, pero it takes a while.
Challenge din to ah.
Wala akong practice 1 year. Eh kanina yung mga kasama ko yung nag-ano nung mga point. Kasi
Hindi, parang okay na. Pero pa ganun.
parang hindi eh. Ano yung...
Tapos yun. Ay, ayaw.
Ay,
Ba't ganun?
Mahirap
Ba't
nga
ganun?
siya.
Ang hirap naman.
Mahirap siya.
Kanina nakabit ko. Kanina
Oo,
mo lang.
kanina nakabit ko siya. Pero it takes a while din.
ayun.
Okay.
Ayun pala, okay.
Okay.
Kailangan maximum. And there's the lake. Right there. It's now 1:30 PSI. And it stopped.
Yun!
It's 11.
Yeah, 11. Pwede lang.
And just like that, I'm in the middle of the lake. There's my two friends.
I finally have friends. My videos and pictures.
Next, standing up. Okay, sitting down is good. Next, standing up.
Hi, Jan. Can you show us how to stand?
Oh my goodness. I'll show you. I'll show you, Dali. I'll show you. Yeah! Yeah!
Golden glow.
Yoo-hoo! Galing ah!
Start up paddleboard officially.
Fun, guys. Buy me one. Buy me one. Mama, try. Buy me one. Yabang mo. Diyan ako. Guys.
Gullies. Thanks, Miss D, for today. Yeah.
Next time magkaka-up na tayo.
please.
Good job.
Sorry.
Tapos i-push down ko lang, diba? Yeah, tapos may inflate. Yeah, diba di-deflate na siya? Yeah. You have to like anti-clockwise. Kaya bigat natin.
Nahirapan na.
Sabi dito, fold here. May instruction pala siya dito eh, fold
Ay,
here.
fold pala. Ano ba to? Ay, ito walang instruction.
Ito sabi niya, fold here. Oh,
Ito wala.
fold ako dito.
Ito walang instruction.
Sunod rin ako eh. Ay, umilaw, that's nice.
Pinailaw para sa atin.
Yeah.
I had fun. Thank you guys.
Me too.
Still recording.
Yeah, I'm still recording.
I love it.
Makikita niyo na lang yan sa YouTube.
Oh, wala siyang deflate. Inflate lang siya.
Mano-mano pa rin yung pag-deflate. Yeah. That's it.
That's it, vlog.
Bye.
Until next time.
Until next time.